To start off the day, I gotta fill the tires up on the trailer and on the table saw. That didn't work. Roy had to do it. And he's gonna unload the trailer, and I'll be right back. Roy has these rhodie bushes all along the house there, and he's pulling the old seeds or old flowers off so it doesn't seed, even though it already has started. No biggie. It looks better anyway. So now we're filling in the sheeting so it'll be level all the way down, and that way we can get it sided. We do have to make filler boards because the house was built a little odd and things just aren't right, so just make it better. Here I'm making 2 starter rows because of the house sucking in towards the bottom. And Roy, he's going to take out that window because we need to get it onto the outside of the siding, so that way we can get the 5/4 around and it'll match the rest of the windows. Here we decided to install the window with the nail fins, and some of them were broke a little bit, so we decided to also install it as if it didn't have a nail fin. So we put 4 screws in, 2 on each side, to hold the window in place better. So we finally got this window in, obviously tar papered and everything else. Roy took out the window on the other side so that way we can pull it out and get the 1-inch trim around it. They call it 5/4, so it matches the rest of the house as we put the siding on. Yeah, it's used, or I should say, well, it was kind of used. Bought it from Home Depot. Got a good price on it, and for what we paid for this thing, can't go wrong. This side already had tar paper underneath the P111, but we decided to put tar paper around the window so you can get a better seal with the wind or anything. And the lower part we did take apart, so the tar paper is gone, which we're using it for vapor barrier. And so anyway, we're redoing just the bottom half of this bill.